Hello my dear students. Today I will teach new poem. The name of the poem is The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. Before we start the poem, let us know some about this poem. Okay? Dear students, telling lies is a bad habit. Right or wrong? Yes, it's a bad habit. We may not believe someone who open tells lies. Right? Yes. Even when he tells with truth in any type of situation. Right dear? Yes. Telling lies all the time will become a regular talking habit some people. It's one of the regular talking some people. That is the lying. Okay. It had become hard when we want to call truth. No one believes them when they want help from others. So many people want friendship with the liar. Have want the friendship with the liar? No, right? Yes, because of they were liar, always telling lie. That's why we want friendship with the liar. Right dears? Yes. And maintain distance with them. We also maintain distance with them. Them who refers to here? Liar. We maintain distance with the liar. Right dears? Yes. In this lesson, you will learn about the boy who lied to the villagers and suffered a loss. Let we discuss in today's class. Okay dear? All are ready? Listen this story. It's a very beautiful story. Right? Let we discuss. All of you open your textbook dear. Page number 21. I will read and explain this story. Listen carefully. Okay? 4. The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. This poem written by Aesop. Okay, he is an English writer. This poem written by who? Aesop. First stanza with start by shepherd. Okay. The shepherd boy beside a stream. The wolf was wont to scream. And when the villagers appeared, he had laughed and called them silly here. A wolf at last came down the steep. The wolf, my lads, my sheep. How it is wonderful story. Dear students, listen carefully. I will explain this first stanza. Okay. Here is a shepherd boy. Shepherd means what dears? Yes, shepherd means sheep farmer. In Kannada, kuruba. ಕುರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕಾಯುವವನಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Shepherd. Okay. In English, sheep farmer. Sheep means what dears? In Kannada, already we know that word. What? Kuri. Sheep farmer in Kannada, kuri ಸಾಕುವವನು. Shepherd means sheep farmer. Got it? Yes, here is one boy. Shepherd boy. Besides a stream. What is the meaning of beside? Near of the or besides of the stream. Kola. What is the meaning of stream? Kolada hattira. Kola, nadi, jari. So, stream besides a boy, he some noise. That noise what? The wolf. The wolf was wont to scream. Here is he was scream. What's that making noise? The wolf. The wolf. What is the meaning of wolf? Tola. Alva? Yes. And then the villagers appeared. ಆ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಕೂಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳ ತೊರೆಯ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಶೆಫರ್ಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಕುರುಬ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ? ದ ಊಲ್ಫ್ ಎಂದು ಕಿರ್ಚುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಮ್? ಕಿರ್ಚುತ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. He had laughed and called them silly here. When the time appeared, the villagers of Shepherd Boy, he only telling lies only. He had laughed. ತುಂಬಾ ನಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನ ಅವನು. And called them silly eared. And also he told all them silly eared. What is the meaning of silly eared? Yes, it means stupid. ಮೂರ್ಖವಾಗಿ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕರೆಯೋರಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? What we are called? Silly eared and stupid. That means what? Stupid. In ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೂರ್ಖ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವನು ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಜನರನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾನಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ ನಗ್ತಾನವ್ರು ನೋಡಿ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಲಾಫ್ಡ್. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ನಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್ ಸಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ಡ್. ಸಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ಡ್ ದೆಮ್ ವಾಟ್? ಕಾಲ್ ದೆಮ್ ಸಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ he was telling lie. Yes, a wolf at last came down the steep. ಆಗ ಅವನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಅಲ್ವಾ? On that time the wolf at last came down the steep. What's the meaning of steep? Down the high hill. What's the meaning of steep? Down the high hill. ಎತ್ತರವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಬೆಟ್ಟದಿಂದ on that time wolf at last came down the steep. ಆ ಒಂದು ಬೆಟ್ಟದಿಂದ ಇಳಿದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. he only silly heard, right? the wolf making that noise. All the villagers come in front of the shepherd boy. He had a laugh and called them silly heard. Asked to like this, no? On that time that really the wolf at last down at the steep. ಆ ಒಂದು ಎತ್ತರದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಬೆಟ್ಟದಿಂದ wolf ಬಂದೇ ಬಿಡ್ತು. the wolf, my legs, my sheep. Then he was screaming again. What he screamed? the wolf, my legs, my sheep. ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲು, ನನ್ನ ಕುರಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ again he screamed in front of the villagers. Right, dears? In these all about the first stanza. Who wrote this poem or story? Yes, Aesop. Right? Have you understood first stanza? Yes. Now I will move on to the second stanza. Listen carefully. The creatures had a jolly feast, quite undisturbed on boy and beast. For none believes the liar, forsooth, even when the liar speaks the truth. Here is a second stanza has spoken that the creatures had a jolly feast. What's the meaning of creature here? Human, right? Here the creatures had a jolly feast. Jolly means what, dears? Yes, ಸಂತೋಷ ಭರಿತವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಹಬ್ಬವಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Right? Yes, the creatures had a jolly feast. Who told like this, dear? Yes, the shepherd boy, right? Quite undisturbed on boy and beast. No one is the undisturbed because the creatures had a jolly feast. ದೇವರು ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬದುಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ ದ ಬಾಯ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಬೀಸ್ಟ್. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೀಸ್ಟ್? ಪ್ರಾಣಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಎಸ್. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ಡ್? ತೊಂದರೆಗೊಳಗಾಗದ. ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ಡ್ ತೊಂದರೆಯಾದ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅನ್ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ಡ್ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ತೊಂದರೆಗೆ ಒಳಗಾಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ, ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ, ರೈಟ್? The creatures had a jolly feast, quite undisturbed on boy and beast. For none believes the liar, forsooth, even when the liar speaks the truth. Here is he was joking no that time. Like this, my wolf, the wolf, my legs, my sheep. Like this he told to in front of the villages, right? Here is the, see, for none believes the liar forsooth. What's the meaning of liar? ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಲಯರ್. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರ್ಸೂತ್? ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡೀಡ್. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರ್ಸೂತ್? ಇಂಡೀಡ್, ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ. ಅವನು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ದ ಊಲ್ಫ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದ ಊಲ್ಫ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಡೌನ್ ಟು ದ ಹೈ ಈಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟೀಫ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಅದು wolf ಬಂದೇ ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಈವನ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಲಯರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ನಿಜ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ನಂಬ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದು ಏನೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈವನ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಲಯರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್, ಯಾರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಂಬ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸುಳ್ಳುಗಾರನನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಲಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ always he was liar. That's why we considered on that truth boy. We don't consider the truth boy, right? Always he become a liar. Have you understood here? Yes. On that time, for none believes the liar or forsooth, even when the liar speaks the truth. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸತ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಯಾರೂ ನಂಬ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿಲೇಜರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್, ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದ ಬಾಯ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಲೇಜರ್ಸ್ he had laughed and called them to silly here. Like this he told, no, that's why no one believes him. Okay, have you understood this story? What is the moral of this story, dear? Yes, the moral of this story, there is no believing a liar even when he speaks the truth. ನೋಡಿ, ಸುಳ್ಳುಗಾರ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸುಳ್ಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಂದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದಿನ ಅವನು ನಿಜ ಹೇಳ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಅವನನ್ನ ನಂಬಲ್ಲ. We also considered he was a liar, right? Yes. Once again I will repeat it, this story moral. There is no believing a liar even when he speaks the truth. Here also, shepherd boy also, once upon a time he asked really, but they want to believe him, right? So, in this moral story, what is the moral? Yes, there is no believing a liar even when he speaks the truth. Right? So that's why you say always truth. Don't say lying. Okay? Have you understood, dears? Who written this poem? Yes, Aesop. Who is the boy here? Yes, the boy, shepherd boy. What is the meaning of shepherd boy? Yes, sheep farmer. Have you understood? Who laughed in this story? Yes, the shepherd boy. Who called to them silly here of the villagers? That one answer also, the shepherd boy. What is the meaning of wolf? Toda, right? Yes. Have you understood, dear? It is the end of this story. Hope you all understood, students. Thank you.